You guys, this will take my wash and go to another level.
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
Guys, I am so excited because I finally got myself a diffuser. And this one is the Revlon Diffuser. As you guys can see, the box is already open because I was so excited that I couldn't wait. I went ahead and I opened it. But before showing it to you guys, let's chit chat for a little while. I'm the girl that does her wash and go and then that waits forever until it dries. I'm the girl that air dries. I no longer use my hooded dryer, you guys, because what I notice is my hair was shorter when I first got it, so it was able to dry everything. But now that my hair gets longer, it only dries the top, and then when you look all the way to the bottom, the ends of the hair will be still really wet. So I had to put it aside and I went ahead and I purchased the Revlon Diffuser. I'm so excited, you guys. So let's talk all about it. It is known to be Smoothstay coconut oil infused hair dryer, fast, flawless drying. So we're gonna put it to the test today and visibly smoother hair and the coconut oil infused grill. Okay. 3 heat, 2 speed settings with cool shot button for styling flexibility, powerful airflow for fast drying. I like that. Concentrator, comb, and of course it has a diffuser attachment head. So we're gonna open it. So okay, first we have let me put that aside. So of course we have the blow dryer itself. We have the diffuser head. I'm gonna open it, and this is huge. So this is what the head is looking like. It's huge. So I'm gonna go and attach it. Okay, you guys, I really thought it was a screw on, but it's simply you have to click it on. Okay, I got it. So you clicked it on. This is huge. Look at the size. And also it comes with the other head. Let me open it to show you guys. So this is the other head to it. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get into more details with the Revlon diffuser. So up here we have hot, warm, and cool. And then down here we have, okay, we have the off button, we have low, and we have high. So I'ma stay on the low, and also I'ma stay on the cool, between the cool and the warm. I don't want to go on hot or I don't want to go on high. Okay, we're gonna put it on. Let's see how it sounds. So this is the low setting. Let's see the high setting. Okay, it is not noisy for me. I've already heard diffusers that are very, very noisy. Okay, let's go. As you guys can see, I just did my wash and go. And you can see my hair is like 40% dry. So I'm about to dry my hair totally. And yes, so let's go. So low and the warm set, the cool setting. Okay, yeah, it is blowing cool air. Okay, I'm about to put it up on warm now. guys, so this is the results. Ooh, I never saw my hair so volumized, so big. Oh my gosh, my hair is 100% dry. You guys, this will take my wash and go to another level. I was getting so tired of waiting and waiting until my hair would fully dry. Imagine the following day, some of my hair would still be wet. But now all of my hair is dry. And talk about the volume. I would have to fluff my hair, shake it up, everything to get this volume. But man, the Revlon diffuser did its thing, you guys. Let me know. Leave some comments down in the comment section. Let me know if you guys are loving my results. But yeah, I am so happy, you guys. And yes. I'm so happy that I'm speechless. I don't know what else to say. But overall, while holding it up and switching arms and so on, I find that it is light. It is very light. It is not heavy. It did not hurt my arms or nothing like that. So I spoke about that. What I find is it dried all of my hair in a reasonable um space of time. Although I didn't clock myself, next time I will clock and I would see how long it took to dry. But overall, I am so happy with this purchase, you guys. If you guys are looking for a bomb diffuser, go ahead and purchase it. I got mine on Amazon. And yes, as you guys can see, the head it is huge and it dried my hair so well. I am pleased. I am pleased. So you guys, if you love this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And stay tuned because I will be bringing some more beautiful curly hair content for this channel. So you guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I wanna believe in everything that you say.